Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear nature lovers, environmental volunteers, and green enthusiasts tuning in. Learning how to prepare seed balls correctly helps you support biodiversity and restore green spaces more effectively. Here's something helpful for you: Seed Balls, Seed Bombs Complete Guide and Free Calculator from Youthbuddy. Seed bombs, also called seed balls, are small balls made using clay, compost, seeds, and water. They protect seeds until suitable rainfall supports healthy germination. They provide a simple, low-cost solution for restoring degraded land, increasing green cover, supporting biodiversity, and reaching places where planting saplings is difficult. The modern seed ball movement became widely known through Japanese, natural farming pioneer Masanobu Fukuoka, although traditional seed protection methods have existed for centuries. Today, seed balls are used around the world for forest restoration, natural farming, grassland recovery, environmental education, biodiversity projects, and community plantation drives. In India, forest departments, educational institutions, NGOs, and volunteers have actively promoted seed ball campaigns for ecological restoration. A recent example is Andhra Pradesh's 2026 initiative, which planned the preparation of 2.5 crore seed balls with support from communities, students, volunteers, and drone-assisted distribution. The clay coating protects seeds from birds, rodents, insects, sunlight, and harsh weather until rainfall softens the outer layer and supports germination. Native species usually provide the best results because they are naturally adapted to local soil, rainfall, climate, and surrounding ecosystems. The basic ingredients include clay for protection, compost for nutrients, suitable native seeds, and enough water to bind the mixture properly. Prepare the mixture by combining the ingredients, adding water gradually, rolling firm seed balls, shade drying them for 24 to 48 hours, and storing them safely. The best time to distribute seed balls is just before the monsoon or during the early rainy season when reliable rainfall is expected. Although seed balls improve the chances of success, results still depend on rainfall, seed quality, suitable species, soil conditions, and protection from grazing. Seed balls can be dispersed by hand during community drives, school programs, trekking activities, vehicle campaigns, or drones in difficult and inaccessible landscapes. Preparing the correct ingredient quantities manually can become difficult, especially when making hundreds or thousands of seed balls for larger plantation drives. To simplify this process, Youthbuddy provides the Masanobu Fukuoka seed ball making calculator based on the classic 7 parts clay, 2 parts compost, and 1 part seeds recipe. Choose your preferred seed ball size, enter the required number of seed balls, and instantly view the required quantities of clay, compost, seeds, water, and the total dry mixture. Whether you are preparing a few seed balls for personal use or thousands for environmental campaigns, the calculator helps reduce estimation errors, save materials, and simplify planning with practical preparation guidance. Remember, seed balls are not a magical solution. When combined with native species, proper timing, and community participation, they can create meaningful environmental impact. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the general section on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.